Did you know that you can actually use the brand new Canva spreadsheet option over here to make a pixel art? At first, it will look just like a regular spreadsheet like Google Sheets or Excel, but we can change the size of each cell. So let's do just that by clicking this little circle at the top left. Now everything's selected, so we can make all of the columns narrow. I can see how wide it is. I will stick with 60 pixels wide, and same here, I will make them a bit taller to match the same value, 60. And now we got perfectly square cells that we can recolor to create a pixel art. Simply select one cell or 2 or 3 together like that with your mouse. Change the backdrop color for that cell and you are good to go. If you make a mistake, like I just did, you can simply change the color back to white. With the outline ready, you can start adding colors. If you cannot see the interesting color here in the palette, you can always make a brand new color. Clicking here, add new color. The color will stay here as the new color for the document. And after adding a few more colors, you will end up with your very own pixel art piece. But how can we save it now as a proper JPEG or PNG? Before we do that, we can actually select everything once more, clicking on this little circle. And we can switch off the border, so we don't need a border at all. So in this case, this toggle here. So we can see our pixel art without a border, and then we click share, download, and change the format to, let's say, JPEG or PNG, the image format. And here's my image. As you can see, it's got plenty of space below. We can address that in the document as well. So let's do just that. To get only this area of the document, we will need to remove all of those unnecessary rows below. The trick to select multiple rows will be to click on the row below, like row 16 in my case. I press Shift Command on my Mac and arrow down because I'm selecting everything below. So it's 3 buttons: Shift, Command or Control and arrow down. Everything's selected now. Now I do the same thing. Command Shift arrow to the right. So with selection like this, we can just right click in the middle and you will see option to delete 34 rows in just one click. If you got troubles with that, you can always delete them manually one by one without any worries. I'm going to delete this column as well. So I got symmetrical spacing. So I got 1, 2, 3, 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Delete this one as well. And I got perfect image now. I can now re-download this with this new size. So I click share again, download, PNG, download. And this time we got way nicer image. Alright, I hope you like this little trick how to use Canva Sheets to make pixel art. I will see you in the next one.